हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज़ ट्रैवल गर्ल और हम निकल चुके हैं अपने एक नए सफ़र की ओर और हम पहुंच गए हैं बगडोगरा एयरपोर्ट और हमारे साथ हैं अरुण प्रधान भैया और ये हमें ले जा रहे हैं सिक्किम। तो भैया कितना टाइम लगेगा यहाँ से? 4 आवर्स। तो अभी हम लोग हैं बगडोगरा में जो कि है वेस्ट बंगाल में और मौसम बहुत ही अच्छा है। यहाँ पे धूप निकली है और ज़्यादा ठंड नहीं है, तो बहुत ही अच्छा मौसम है। तो हम जा रहे हैं भैया के साथ। ये है मेरी फ्रेंड रिया। और कुछ बोल दे। और क्या बोल यार, ये पहले जा चुकी है सिक्किम लास्ट 1 ईयर बैक ना। या 1 ईयर बैक। तो इस हम प्लान बना कि लेट्स गो टुगेदर। तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं सिक्किम और सिक्किम में लगेंगे 4 आवर्स। और भैया सिलीगुड़ी यहीं पे आएगा ना? थोड़ा सा आगे है। और हम सिक्किम में जाएंगे गैंगटॉक। So we are in Siliguri and we are stuck in traffic for almost 2 hours and I don't think we are going to reach before 11 p.m. So finally the traffic is clear and now we are heading towards Sikkim Gangtok. So it's a beautiful morning and yes, we are in Sikkim Gangtok. So good morning everybody. हम पहुंच गए थे सिक्किम yesterday night around 11 p.m. और we were really very tired and आज सुबह उठते ही I'm just capturing the beautiful view of Sikkim Gangtok and you can see these beautiful birds और बहुत ही अच्छा वेदर है सिक्किम का। So let's start our day from Rumtek Monastery. So we are going to Rumtek Monastery जो कि है around 20 kilometers from Gangtok और जो है बहुत ही सुंदर मोनेस्ट्री और जिसे हम धर्मा चक्र सेंटर के नाम से भी जानते हैं। और हम पहुंच गए हैं रुमतेक मोनेस्ट्री। Hi everyone, so we are here at Rumtek Monastery and Mr. Mone Roy is with us. So we are going to ask some questions from him. So Mone Roy ji, please tell us about the history of this monastery.
Okay, so here I go. Okay, so first of all, this Romtek is the name of a place. Right? But the name of the monastery, it is so called your Dharma Chakra Center.
Okay.
And this monastery is a replica of the Chirpug monastery, which is somewhere in Tibet.
Okay.
And yes, before this monastery was built, the Chirpug Gompa supposed to be the headquarters of this Kagyupa school of Tibetan Buddhism.
Okay.
And yes, this is the new Romte Gompa. In very short, before the monastery was built, here where there was a lake also, and the Romte, which means in Sikkimese language, yes, so Rum means your God,
Okay.
Tek means a place, but the literary meaning is totally different. That is so called valley top.
Okay.
Okay, and this
Valley top.
beautiful monastery here, it was constructed very recently. That was in the 60s only by the former Galwang Karmapa who passed away 1981, and the name of the former Galwang Karmapa was the Ranjung Rikpe Dorji.
Okay, so you are talking about the 16th Karmapa.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So will you please tell us about the present Karmapa?
So, His Holiness President Galwang Karmapa, who was born in the year 1985, 26th of June 1985, sorry,
Okay.
in Tibet, and His Holiness the 17th Galwang Karmapa Lama is recognized by the letter which was led by his predecessor, who
Okay.
builds the monastery. I mean, that letter, before former Karmapa Lama passed away, mentioned his successor. Okay, number one, I mean, where he is going to born, what will be his parents' name, everything.
Okay.
And as far as this lineage is concerned, this is 900 years old lineage. So that means right from first to 16th Karmapa, they all predicted about their successor. So this is how the lineage goes.
So, Mone Roy ji, I would like to ask, what is the process of identification of Karmapa?
So we call them four Hatsan. These four Rinpoches below Karmapa, as far as this lineage, the Kagyu lineage is concerned, are the Shama Rinpoche, your Thai Sutupa, Jamgon Rinpoche, and your Gelchap Rinpoche.
Yes.
But it was the former Karmapa. Later on we came to know, hands over one amulet to one of the regent. His name is Thai Sutupa, who has got his own monastery in Himachal Pradesh, place called Sherabling. If you Google it, it's the first refugee monastery in the world. Okay, and yes, this is the, if he talks, is the headquarters of, once again, the Kagyu School of Tibetan Buddhism.
Well, I'm SD Negi. I'm Director General of Police here in Sikkim, and I had the luxury of coming with two young ladies. We are here in Rumtek. Though I should not be talking about the controversies, there are two claimants to this throne, and the majority of the people believe that it is Ugen Thille Dorji who is the Karmapa, and the rival claimant is Thai Dorji. Both of them are, as of now, not allowed here. I was here as SP, I was here as DIG, I was here as IG, ADG. I had handled, if you can see, places left and right. These were non-existent when I had to substantially intervene in the kind of affairs. Well, this is the international center. It has worldwide, it says, Mr. Rai explained to you that, but for very Middle East or some places, it has centers world over. It's a big empire. What we'll do is this perhaps is not to be taken on films. We are going to see the treasure room, which is locked from outside, and the sentry of Indo-Tibetan Border Police is guarding that. What is inside is not much known about it, and we are going to see certain other places. Right now, the main shrine is under repairs, so it is, you can't see as it is, it should be seen, but it is under repairs.
So we are doing parikrama, because every corner in the monastery there we have some temple.
Okay. So, Mone Roy ji, I wanted to know what is the significance of this Kora, what we call this parikrama.
Okay, to earn these good merits, as I said, punya.
Okay.
Punya, because in Tibetan Buddhism they believe in theory of karma.
Okay.
And we consider Buddha as a guru. Yes, not
Okay.
Yes, we consider Buddha as a guru, as
Okay.
a teacher, because Buddha simply mentioned about those eightfold paths, and Ashtamarg.
Hanji.
And among these eightfold paths, one is your right thought. So I'm 100% sure when we do Kora, when we recite mantras, do meditation, that time we do have only positive thought.
Okay.
So in this way also we are earning some good merits.
Okay.
Thank you.
अनि बिस्तारै हिँड्नु भनेको फोटो खिच्दै थियो नि बिस्तारै हिँड्नु राम्रो आउँछ.
So the treasure room is up there, which is
Okay. So, we are going to treasure room.
Treasure room is something.
it's sealed by the High Court.
so videography is not allowed here.
It is for a higher Buddhist studies. Actually, यहाँ पर है ना हमारा ये हायर बुद्धिस्ट स्टडीज है. It's for the यहाँ पर they go for a normal education also. Philosophy plus they go for a normal education.
Okay.
And the course here in this university is for your 13 years. And this is the university which is recognized by the state government here, plus affiliated to the Sanskrit Sampunananda University of Varanasi. Be careful.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
But sir, your lama sabi uta Buddha Veda, so I'm sure that. Molam sabi ko. The end of this month, Buddha Gaya. So the blue one sky, the yellow one is your earth. So when the flag moves, that symbolizes to spread Buddha Dharma all over the world.
Okay.
That means in future also, ma'am, you may visit so many monasteries. So whenever you find that color flag,
Okay.
be positive that that monastery comes under this school of Tibetan Buddhism. You
Okay.
can, you can remember me also. Huh?
Okay. Thank you.
Give me. It was just to. Okay, go there. Let me see. We are now in the upper portion of Rumtek Monastery, and right in front, in the background, you can see Gangtok town. And may I now begin with you? What is your experience of Rumtek?
Rumtek is a very beautiful place, and the monastery is really very beautiful. And I have came to know about the history of this monastery. It's like really amazing. And yes, we came from Gangtok, and the weather is also very awesome. So I wanted to tell you all that you must visit this place. This place is really very awesome. And yes, you can get refreshment, you can get the peace, and this is very beautiful place. Yeah.
Yes, nice about it. And the monastic tour guide, what do you have to say to the viewers about Rumtek Monastery?
Well, myself, first of all, was born here only and working as a guide last almost decades or so. I must say, yes, once you visit Sikkim, please matlab, come to Rumtek. It will be a beautiful experience. Yes, thank you.
Okay, can you say something about the Nyingma sect? Because the viewers would like to know what Nyingma sect is. And yes.
Nyingma Pa, which was founded by the Guru Padmasambhava somewhere in 8th century. And Nyingma mean an old. Among these four schools of Tibetan Buddhism, yeah, the Nyingma Pa is your oldest school. Well, and if he talks more, it's a tantric form of Tibetan Buddhism, means where they go for a secret practice, secret rituals, etc.
Okay, viewers, I would like to show you exactly the center here. In the front, you can see some elevated location. Little lower portion is the helipad, which is called Devrali helipad, and at an elevation where you have cluster of structures, that is where the Nyingma monastery is. Right now it is headed by Dorubchen Rinpoche.
So this is the majestic view of Rumtek Monastery, and this was all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, share and subscribe my channel Travel Girl, and I will be coming soon with my new vlog. Till then, stay tuned.